Hey, good morning everyone. Do you have a spot in your home where your internet goes to die? You just can't get any signal down there? Well, today we're going to check out a Netgear Range Extender. I'm going to set it up in my in-laws house and we'll see what kind of improvements that we can get. And there might be some better options out there, but we'll take a look. Thanks for joining. Here we have the Netgear EX3110. As you can see on the front cover, she'll be happy with you for getting this, and who wouldn't be? After all, this is just your average run-of-the-mill range extender. It does do the AC, but it's also backwards compatible with the A, B, G, and N. So the 750 stands for the megabits per second. You always want to make sure that whatever you're getting, router or range extender, you want to have more than what the internet speed is coming into your house. And according to the back of the box, this will apparently double your existing internet range. I have not found this to be true, but who knows? You might have better luck than I do. The range is dependent on so many things. It's going to be dependent on where you have the original router and then where you place this, but we'll get into that here in a little bit. Now we have the actual device itself. It's pretty small and easy to keep hidden, so go ahead and plug that in and we can start off. Here's the issue that they were having. Being in the living room or next to the router, they had perfect signal. However, when you go a little bit farther away, it almost dropped in half and they weren't having a reliable internet connection at that point. There's a couple different ways to set these up. One is the WPS method, which is just as easy as hitting a button on the router and then hitting a button on the device and everything's connected. But that would make for a very short video, so we're going to go a little bit longer route in which you will get your computer set up and then go ahead and plug this in. Now, once the power light on the device turns to green, go ahead back to your computer and disconnect from the current internet that you're on, and then look for the Netgear extension to connect to. Now, once you're into the extender setup, it's going to take you to the Netgear Genie, which is just going to have you either create an account or log in using your existing credentials if you already have a Netgear account. Now, once you get to this point, the easiest way is to set it up automatically. So this one will do both the 2.4 gigahertz signal as well as the 5 gigahertz signal. The 5 gigahertz signal is going to offer you more bandwidth, however it will not travel as far, such as through concrete or walls, stuff like that. The 2.4 gigahertz signal is going to be a little bit stronger to go through those hard objects, but it's not going to be as quick as the 5 gigahertz. Once you get to this point here, you're going to set up the network that you want to connect to strengthen the signal. Unless you have a very trusting neighbor that's giving you all their info, you're going to connect to your own home network here, both the 2.4 and the 5 gigahertz signals, to extend them both. After you've confirmed all your passwords and have waited for just a little bit, it'll come up and say that everything has been done and you are good to go. At this point, you already have both network name and passwords in your phone or other device. Go ahead and add in both network extensions as well, the 2.4 and the 5 gigahertz. Put that into your device as well, so that way your device will connect to whichever one is going to give you the strongest signal, no matter where you're at in your home. Now it's time to test your work. Go to wherever you were struggling with internet before and see if you have it now. As you can see, there was a 5% increase in this one, but like I said, this is just a test on the 5G network and it's going to be harder to go through the walls. The 2.4 gigahertz test was a lot stronger than this. I just forgot to record it. Once you have everything set up, you're able to unplug that range extender and then move it wherever you'd like. What you want to do is keep it in close proximity to the router, just so you're able to boost as much signal as possible. But you can play with this as you go, and it's really just going to be dependent on your type of layout, so just feel free to play with it as you will. That's what she said. So, final thoughts on the range extender. You know, if you have a spot in your home where the internet just kind of goes to die, you can put a range extender between that spot and your router and see if that helps out. In most cases, it's going to be good, and it's only about $20 or $30. So it's not bad. Now, what I've done is I've done it with these Google Wi-Fi pucks. You can get however many you need. You place them all around your house, and then you have no dead spots at all. It kind of goes all in a mesh network, and you only need one SSID or one network name and one password, and that's it. And it'll just follow you all over your house wherever you go. The other cool thing about these is they have a spot where you can plug in Ethernet. So if you have a larger house, you can just hardwire in through your Ethernet into these Wi-Fi pucks, and it'll still keep all of the same network information and be able to spread it all over your home. I would definitely recommend these if you're starting all over. If you just have like a couple dead spots in your house, then Wi-Fi extender will be just fine for you. So, until next time, take care of yourselves, and God bless. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video, and please feel free to check out some more. As always, leave your comments below on what you would like to see and what I can help you with. I thank you all, and have a blessed day.